Is a third world war really imminent, as some rumors make it appear to be? Let's see. The ethery winds whisper of a turbulent time ahead, where the threads of conflict and resolution intertwine in a dance that could lead to global upheaval. As I peer into the swirling mist of fate, I sense that while tensions will escalate among nations, the possibility for a third world war is not as imminent as some may fear, not yet. Instead, it appears that pivotal moments will arise around late 2026 into early 2027. Those will be the pivotal and the crucial period in our life in the um, global geopolitical or geopolitical arena. Okay, when leaders are faced with critical choices, because the Pleiadians has been given them chances since 2012 to come to a resolution for wars, and you see we still have it. We are still having it. They the Pleiadians have claimed to have put it down, had deactivated nuclear plants, so that those kids who had it on their hands would not have to play with fire. But whether it is true or not, I'm not sure. But their nuclear plants are already deactivated, and there is more things that is not being exposed to the mass. More things which has been swept under the carpet. The energies surrounding diplomacy and negotiation will be heightened during this period, offering opportunities for peace that must be seized by those in power. So that's why they have been given this more extended period to think about it. And the pivotal and crucial time will be between 2020. Actually, we're going to be prepared this year, but will escalate next year, next 2 years, okay? Until the beginning of 2027, where they wanting to reach a resolution to this geopolitical problem here. And I hope that people will not lose in the process, will not have to lose out on the process. However, these times will also test humanity's resiliency and unity. Grassroots movements advocating for harmony will emerge strongly. Your own journey during this transformative phase may draw you toward involvement initiatives promoting understanding and cooperation among diverse groups. Really? Is it feasible? Even feasible? Trust your intuition deeply as you navigate these events. Your connection to nature and healing practices can guide you toward being a beacon of hope amidst uncertainty. Prepare yourself for the waves of change. They may bring challenges, but also profound opportunities for growth and collective awakening. And now those in power is craving for more money They are like hungry hippos, crazy for money, increase tariff and taxes and everything else. Bankers and everything else is really desperate this time now, okay? But they are not telling the truth about their deficit and hardship in the economic arena. They are not telling. But things not going very smoothly in the geopolitical and economic arena here in this earth. I see it. And this is it for now. So yeah, we're gonna go through a lot of tempest and turbulent period of time. We have to cross tempestuous sea wave during this period now. But we need to, well, just let it go. What will be will be. The future not ours to see. Que sera, sera.